Let's explore the fascinating world of animals, from the smallest cat to the largest. Husky dog. Goat. Sheep. Pig. Donkey. Cow. Buffalo. Bull. Horse. Camel. A cat stands about 9 to 12 inches tall at the shoulder, weighing around 4 to 5 kilograms. Small, agile, and graceful. A husky reaches 20 to 24 inches, weighing 20 to 27 kilograms. Strong, energetic, and built for endurance. A goat stands 16 to 24 inches, weighing 25 to 50 kilograms, adaptable and resilient. The mouflon sheep measures about 26 to 30 inches tall, weighing 40 to 60 kilograms, wild, sturdy, and powerful. A white pig stands around 24 to 36 inches, weighing 140 to 300 kilograms, heavy, grounded, and robust. The wild ass stands roughly 48 to 66 inches, around 250 kilograms, fast, alert, and enduring. A cow towers at 50 to 60 inches, weighing 600 to over 1,000 kilograms. Calm, massive, and essential to human life. A buffalo reaches 50 to 70 inches, 300 to 900 kilograms, strong, dependable, and powerful. A bull stands 55 to 60 inches, 680 to 770 kilograms, muscular, dominant, and intense. A horse measures 48 to 66 inches at the withers, 360 to 450 kilograms, fast, elegant, and majestic. A camel reaches 71 to 84 inches, weighing 300 to 600 kilograms, resilient, patient, and built for the desert. From the smallest cat to the towering camel, nature showcases an incredible diversity of size, strength, and survival.